Hello, good morning. My name is Ferdinand. I'm taking us through my individual assignment, or to say my individual work in the CIT 260 oriented programming. This one we have a job to do on the say team assignment, which is called City of Aaron. In this, the way it goes, before we started the programming, we had to draw UML diagram, which was designed for us to do the programming. The UML diagram serves as a guideline or an architectural guideline for us to build up this game. But after the UML diagram, we have what we call the coding itself. In the coding, we have the layers, which are in three parts. One, we have the control layer, which is this. We also have the model layer, which is this, and we have the view layer. But we also have the test package, which is used to test to run the program itself to know whether it's working or functioning well. Now, in order for me to explain this better, in control layer takes a charge, or it deals with the actions or performance of the programming itself, while the model layer takes or deals with the data storage, and the view layer deals with how the program is performed, which also gives to the end user what it's supposed to have. Now, before this program, we have in model layer, we have animal.java, which was created by me. We also have condition.java, and we have player.java. Looking at it this way, all these things are built to store in data, because if these are not built this way and the game is functioning, then there's no place to store these data that invokes animal and the rest of it. We also have the view layer, which are also created by land view and the warehouse view. This can let us or help us understand that in this part you come to know that when the player let's say put in some efforts or put in some charge for the game to play, you have some part that will display to us the kind of line he or she wants to buy, or the kind of line available to buy, as well as the warehouse view also explain more about things which are stored in the warehouse or things which are saved for future references. Now, in the controller, which is the main part that deals with the actions of the builder of the programming, we want to look at the control layer, which is also the bottle of water control of Java. In this part, you got to know that there are some difference between this and this and this. But looking at it in the control layer, bottle of water control of Java, before it was created, it was drawn in a pseudo code, which is this. This pseudocode helps us to calculate three things: the task, the input, the output, and the validation rules. Without having this, you can't be able to work on what you want to do, but at least it will help you as a guideline to know the programming you want to do in the JavaScript or in the NetBeans. But looking at it this way, this pseudocode also help you to work on the metric text, which, as I told you before, we have a test package. So this test package serves as a metric test in the pseudocode for us to know how the output will be like and the input will be like after it's been run. Now, this code was translated into JavaScript, which you have here. In trying to run it or test it, you must import it from here into the test package. And in test package, you have so many things involved in test package. Like we have the bottle of water control test, which is the one done or written by me. Now, trying to look at the bottle of water control test .java, you can see that it is well written. Not only well written, but is it going to run well? That's the question in line. But let's see whether it's going to work or not. I'm going to run this program to see whether it's going to work or not. Let's see, test file. Either you say test file, controls F6, or you do run file. Now let's see test file. It is running now. If you see from here, it's running. Let me click on output for you to see how it's going to be like. You see, here it's telling us what is involved as it's testing the file. You have background check. Wow, awesome. As you can see, there are a form of 7 tests to run. Now it has run off successfully and it was built successfully. You see, built successfully. So there was no error. If you try to check the log, so look at it here. Test 1, number 127. We have test run 1, failure 0, error 0, skip 0, time elapsed 107 seconds. Now let's also see whether it's going to be the same thing if we run the file. Here, this time around, we tested the file, but this time let's see how it's going to be when we run it. See whether it will be the same thing or not. Now let's see. The same thing we run and test. We're using test 1 finished successfully for project City of Aaron. Now let's see test windows. Look at it. It is run successfully. Test passed. Test passed. Water taking passed. State of water control passed. To look at output, this is the output used successfully. So I'm so glad that this really worked well and there's no error found in this programming. Hope to see you even as my team members combine this together with theirs for us to be a great team. Bye, thank you.